Alright, I'm back today with a new recipe video. Today's going to be a breakfast recipe, and it's going to be how to make a bowl of cereal. You're going to need a few things. To start, you're going to need some milk. So I get the vitamin D whole milk here. Now if you want the freshest milk, you can go milk a cow yourself if you want. How you're going to do that is just drive to your nearest farm and just get out of the car, hop the fence, and go find a cow and start milking it. Make sure you bring a couple jugs with you to fill up, and just watch out for the owners of the property so they don't come out and shoot you or anything like that. So personally, I think it's easier just to go to the store and grab some milk off the shelf, so that's what I usually do. Now you're gonna need a cereal bowl, a good sized cereal bowl. This is a 12-inch mixing bowl, pretty standard size there, nothing too big. And then you're gonna need a spoon, so grab a spoon. This is the old Wolfgang Puck spoon here, a pretty nice one. And you're going to want to grab your favorite cereal. So for today, I grabbed Cocoa Puffs. So this is also happens to be my dog's favorite cereal too. He eats Cocoa Puffs just about every day. So what you're going to want to do is just pour the entire box of cereal into your bowl. That way none of your relatives have a chance to eat any of it, and you get it all to yourself. And that's it.